Now let's move on to our third example, which is actually setting up our Deno, a basic Deno server. And I'm not going to be kind of writing everything from scratch here. I'm using the default, official example. How about we go ahead and create a server.ts file, and I'm going to paste the official example here. So what's happening here is I'm importing the serve function from this particular URL. So you can actually import things from URLs because there's like no package.json file or anything inside Deno. It has no support for npm or whatnot. You either define a file right here and use it, or use a URL for that particular module. And this module actually comes from the standard library, HTTP, where there's this file called server.ts that you can go ahead and explore on the Deno's website. We are importing the serve function from this particular server.ts module. And then I'm creating a new server at port 8000. I'm console logging that it is going to be running at localhost 8000. And for all of the requests that come to this server, I'm returning hello Deno as the body in the response. And I'm actually awaiting for it to complete. Again, here, this is the top level await API that is present in modern JavaScript and Deno. So let's go ahead and run this server file. For that, I'm going to write Deno run server.ts. And I had a feeling that it is going to compile successfully, but there will be a permission denied because we haven't really allowed this particular file to access the network. And it is actually asking us to explicitly define this allow net flag so this can actually work. So how about we go ahead and do that? Allow net. And it doesn't work like that. You have to actually define allow net right after run. For example, not here, but actually right after here. Allow net. And now when I run this, you can see the server is actually running on localhost 8000. And there you go. This is what the server looks like. It's printing out hello Deno. We can actually kind of go ahead and go crazy here and change something here. Hello Deno, you are crazy. So it's not working because it's actually using a compiled copy from here. I'm going to actually recompile it. And now if I go here, it's recompiled.